Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is mainly where this orange line is coming from. And I bring that up because, as I talked about in yesterday's video, as a quick recap, the price had broken up above the trend line. So going into today, it was a question of, is the price going to get some sort of continuation? Is this breakout going to, keep on breaking out? And we got our answer, and yeah. It did keep breaking out, pulled back a little bit at the start of the day, but after that, it grinded its way upwards. So the breakout got continuation and is in, kind of full mode right now. So because of that, this line here has played its role. So I'm just going to get rid of that from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But that's what brings us in a, not really update is the right word, more so confirmation. The point of confirmation being that right up here, at around 667 is indeed that level of resistance. Now, I would agree that the level of resistance got weakened up today because, yeah, the price did actually spend some time up above that level, but the price was never able to stay up above it. So because of that, it would still be a level of resistance. A weakened level of resistance, yes, but still a level of resistance nonetheless. So 667 is going to remain that key level of resistance going forward. And if the price can push through there, then again, next key level up at that red line, which I talked about on Monday, which is right around 683. So those will be the next couple areas of resistance. Again, not necessarily anything new to talk about, but just confirmation that, yeah, there does definitely seem to be sellers up around the 667 mark. So that'll definitely need to be broken before that, you should really be talking about doing battle with 683. So one bridge at a time. And that first bridge to cross, again, there at the 667 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, ideally going forward, you want to see the price stay up above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 653. But if the price does drop below it, it's not like that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything, because you do still have the bigger picture moving average down here, that pink line, which is the 200-period, and that's currently valued at 643. But probably getting a little bit ahead of myself, given that the price isn't even close to even testing that level of support. But the point here being those would be the key levels to watch from a support standpoint going forward. But overall, like I said, got continuation of the breakout today. Not just a question of can the price get back above the 667 mark and stay above it. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.